Iniwan, sabi ko, sama ako. Iniwan ako, guys. Nagpunta sa ano. Alam nyo, guys, he told me I'm such a bad wife.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. It's not a good morning anyway. Maayong aga sa inyong lahat, mga ka-everything. And today is Saturday. Plano ko sanang, tignan nyo tong mata ko. Parang magkasakit ako. Yun yung naramdaman ko ngayon. Kasi yung katawan ko is sumakit. I think ito yung sa pagdidig. Pero feeling ko talaga magkasakit ako. So yun. Plano ko sanang anuhin sila Lloydie. I-message magpunta Filipino store. Pero yung pakiramdam ko talaga, iba talaga as in. Yung likod na naman ni Tami, nag-start na naman kahapon. Naging okay siya. And then ngayon parang napifeel niya na sumakit na naman ulit. And then ako, yung katawan ko. I think yung katawan ko, yung sakit is yung pagdidig ko kahapon doon. And also yung binili namin ng mga small brick. Mabigat siya, iniisa-isa namin. So yun, bahala na parang may sakit. Pero pupunta pa rin ako sa labas. Kailangan ko pa rin gusto ko sanang punta Filipino store, pero iba talaga pakiramdam ko, guys. So, ang gagawin ko na lang is magdidig sa harapan. Yung mata ko talaga as alam ko talagang magkasakit ako. So, ipaplant. Diba bumili ako ng plant kahapon, 2. So, I'm gonna start digging.
2 hours later.
Hi guys, nakatulog ako, guys. Hello, it's already 9:41. Oh, nakatulog ako. Sumakit yung buong katawan ko. And natulog ako sa office ni Tami. Sabi ko, hindi ko to kayanin. And then, lalabas tayo, magdig tayo ng hole. Itanim natin yung mas lalo ako magkasakit kapag ganito yung buhay ko. So, pag-isipan ko muna saan ko to ilagay. Ito siya. Pink. And then ito. Maginaw man, ay. Iwan ko, maginaw man yung panahon. Yun siya, guys. Sana mabubuhay po ito. Yun. Katulad siya nito. Ito. At saka yan. Hindi kinaya ng katawan ko. Sabi pa ng katawan ko, tama na. Tama na, binugbog mo ako. So yan, balik tayo sa isang jacket. Kasi yung sinuot ko na jacket is yan, yung sinuot ko kahapon. Madumi. Ito din, sinuot ko kahapon pero hindi siya madumi. Kaya, ang ginaw din. Akala ko maganda ang temperature sa labas. Sana kung ano man itong naramdaman ko, mawala. Sumakit talaga katawan ko, guys. Gustong masuka, and then, inano ko lang yung, hinuhold ko lang yung kasi gusto talaga masuka. Iwan ko ano to. Iwan ko, hindi ko na alam. hopefully maging okay ako bukas. Gusto kong pumunta talaga sa Filipino store. Mag-lunch lang ako guys para naman baka uli-ulian ako. Tawag nito parang baka ma-okay-okay yung pakiramdam ko. Pero siya ba yung likod niya is hindi pa okay, pero alam niyo yung ginawa niya, sabi pumunta sa basement, naghalungkat ng gamit niya doon kasi ang daming gamit, diba? Parang hinihiwalay-hiwalay niya para alam niya kung anong dapat ilagay sa container, yung sabihin ba, para sabi ko, wag na kasi yung likod mo, babalik. Ay, nako, iwan ka. So, ngayon kakain tayo guys. Yung kakainin ko lang naman is chicken adobo. At itong dalawa, gutom na sila. Sabi pa ni Tami, wag ko daw bigyan. Mamaya na daw kasi it's not 12 o'clock yet. What? It's not 12 o'clock, so you wait until 12. Guys, umalis. Iniwan ako ni Tami. Iniwan ako. Sabi ko, sama ako. Iniwan ako guys. Nagpunta sa Kasi yung sister niya, hindi ako iniwan. Pero yung sister kasi niya, nag-message. Sabi pa, gusto ba ni Tami ng patch? Yung parang kasi kahit ganun yung si Tami nakikita may ginagawa, masakit pa rin talaga yung parang lahat ng muscles niya, yung joint niya dito sumakit dito. So pero tinatry niyang mag-move kasi kahapon maganda yung kasi nilagyan niya yung yung machine na electric nilagyan niya dito. So the whole night, the other night. So, the next day, yesterday, maganda yung pakiramdam niya. So, ngayon, pero masakit pa rin yung mga kasukasuan niya, mostly joint at saka yung backbone, spine. Kasi yung problem talaga is spine. So, ngayon, yung sister niya nag-text. Sabi pa, gusto ba ng patch? Sabi pa niya, okay, I want it for his shoulder. Kasi yung electric na nilagay niya, guys, dito lang dapat malayo sa puso. Kasi maapektuhan yung puso. Kasi malakas yung electric eh. Parang ginaganon yung mo. Dapat malayo sa puso. So, gusto niya patch lang dito. So, nilagay niya yung dito sa likuran, malapit sa butt cheeks. Nag-meet sila sa grocery store. Doon sila mag-meet. And then sabi ko, sasama ako. Fino-force ko talaga, sasama ako. Hindi mo ako pinasama. Sabi ko, I wanna go outside. I wanna go ride. Because ako dito. So, ngayon, iniwan tayo dito. So, sabi ko, lalabas ako, bahala na itong katawan ko talaga. Do you know that I'm a bad wife? It's 11-year anniversary na pala namin. Ngayon pala yung anniversary ng kasal namin. Ihi muna ako guys. Sa bad wife. Anyway, pala ngayon guys? It's April 10. Anniversary pala namin ngayon. Ang sama ko namang asawa, wala akong ginagawa. I'm such a bad wife. Happy anniversary, B-boy. I'm such a bad wifey.
Sorry.
I'm sorry, hon.
Getting some flowers is all.
Oh my goodness. Hey, you said you're gonna... That's why you wanna be alone. Thanks, love. I love you. Your hair. Your hair is everywhere. Oh my god. I'm just a bad wife, but I get a freaking flower. Thank you. Thanks you. It's a roses.
Oh, good. Well, you got all these.
Give me allergy, love. Oh no, my goodness. And then Tommy got me 2 different flowers.
Well, the roses because it's anniversary, but I like the colors on this one too.
Okay, can you hold it? Can you hold it and then?
Really, I'm not supposed to be holding flowers.
Oh, kissy now. I'm such a bad wife. I don't have nothing.
Happy anniversary.
I don't have nothing, hon. Hon, I'm really bad. Hon, I love you. You have my heart. Okay din. Oh, goodness. Wala talaga ako na sa kanya, guys. As in. Nakalimutan ko rin. Tignan niyo yun. Oh. So, ngayon, ilagay natin ito sa vase.
I figure the one on top of the mantle.
What mantle?
You got that one there.
No, that's not it. That's a candle holder.
No, is it?
It's a candle holder. Okay, we're gonna use Tommy's crystal clear. It's crystal. It says that.
Well, it is crystal, but Lennox makes a crystal. What brand is it? She never got that video that you told me to send to her. So I sent it again to her while she was there. I made her jump. I said, Maryann sent it. Sure. She would probably do that to me. You know, I sent it to her and she said it made her neck hurt.
And did you send it to Isabel?
I did, but you know, Isabel, she may not see it for a month. This way I can guarantee I'll get mine. Maybe they're not going to give it to you now that you jump up here.
Why you have to buy two? I like that the roses.
Yeah. The baby breath.
Huh?
The baby's breath. The white.
No, yeah.
The white. Yeah.
Look, sobrang ganda. Mixed flower, honey. Mixy. This is our 11-year anniversary. Too much. Yeah, yesterday I remember that it's our anniversary today, pero nakalimutan.
Because I said it.
Yeah, because you said it. Guys, I'm editing a video here. Naggawa ako ng thumbnail. Pero, he gave me 3 cards. Okay. So, what are you feeling right now?
Issues, nothing horrible.
Okay, so how's your back?
It's got issues. Really missed.
You're still in pain a little bit?
Yeah.
How's your diarrhea?
It's better. It's not like.
Well, at least you can eat something na, huh?
Yeah.
The other day, you really don't.
Yeah.
Misty. Look at those. Misty down na, Misty.
What, you that desperate? Are you that desperate?
Okay, now, Misty down. I'm asking Dada, baby.
I can't. Every time I come out here, she has to be on me.
Yeah.
She's the only dog I know who doesn't want to go play in the yard. She just wants to sit here and be on my lap.
I was so nervous when you don't really eat, honey.
It's okay. She should go on longer.
Who's Misty?
What?
Misty.
What? I'm not petting you 24 hours a day. It don't work that way.
Oh my
Thank you for the
god.
kisses, yes. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Now go with Roxy. And
Mister.
get whoever you're
Okay, itanim ko na to siya. Doon.
So it's 1,000 a month for 3 months. So it's 3,047.
All right, so you're under $8,000 still.
The euphoria, the really
Napagod
good
ako.
feeling.
Right.
Natanim ko na yung halaman. Binilhan ako ni Tommy ng pang jump start sa sasakyan katulad yung sa kanya. Ay, ang gasto ng asawa ko. Look. Sabi niya, oh, that's for you. You put in your car. Kapag maano yung car mo, kasi hindi lang dahil sa paminsan guys, na nangyayari yan sa akin yung hindi gumana yung sasakyan. Hindi umandar kasi yung light is on. Sometimes I forgot to turn off the light. Yung talagang light sa labas. Yung headlight. Paminsan, especially if I drive at night or rainy day. Makalimutan ko, that's why I have to remind na yung sarili ko na kailangan ko siyang pag-isip-isipan. So, ngayon, anyway, ang dami kong gawain, guys. Hindi ko alam mo ano yung unahin ko. Palaktaw-laktaw ako ba? Parang pa jump ako. Dapat doon ako sa harapan. Hi, guys. Bumalik si Tommy sa basement. And then ako naman, nagluluto tayo ng chicken niya. Chicken soup. Yung chicken pala, kailangan ko pa siya patayin muna natin ito. Kailangan ko pang ihiwa-hiwala yung chicken. Anyway, Akala ko ready na. Guys, hi everything. Nakaligo tayo, guys. Masakit pa rin yung katawan natin, pero nakaligo na tayo. Matagal ako guys. Nag-shower kasi gusto ko yung mainit. So, yun yung ginawa ko. Ito yun siya, guys, oh. Kailangan nyo, kapag may sasakyan kayo, kailangan nyo to, jump start. Siya? Rechargeable jump start. I don't know. Ang pangalan nito is Next Pow. Pew. Si Tami, andun din sa basement. Bumalik siya sa basement kasi nasayahan siya sa ginawa niya. Parang nagustuhan niya yung ginawa niya na parang mag-organize ng gamit. So, yun. And, mag-blow dry lang ako ng buhok kasi basa. So, do we have orange here?
I don't know. Maybe under there. Otherwise, I'll run downstairs. It's not a big deal.
Okay, guys.
Look in here first.
It's not in there. It's nothing. It's nothing. So, I'm gonna have something to eat, guys. I don't drink. Hindi na ako umiinom ng soda for a long time talaga, guys. Nag-stop na ako ng soda-soda dyan. Soda doon. Kasi, alam niyo na. Huh? It's not insulting. Look at your face. You're in pain looking. Oh my God. I cannot even. Alam nyo guys, he told me I'm such a bad wife. It's our anniversary, but you're a bad wife. It's our anniversary. Oh my God. Kasi galing, she is from downstairs and he bring his shoes and it's dirty. He bring it in and he's running to the bathroom. And I said, use that bathroom here, the small bathroom. Oh. And then after he said, he want really to use the master bath. You want me to use the guest bathroom? It's our anniversary. You're a bad wife. So we're taking our meds. Look, he's taking his meds. I'm taking mine. We're taking the same thing. And we're going to bed. Thank you so much guys for watching. There's nothing going on today. So yun lang yung anniversary namin na I'm such a bad wife. Yun. Nakalimutan ko talaga guys. Kasi akala ko kasi talaga yung anniversary namin is kahapon. Kasi napag-usapan namin nung pumunta kami sa store. So, what is this, Han? For Maryann? So we're gonna end the vlog. Sinay Han.
Night guys.
We're gonna go to bed. Anyway guys, so yun lang. And see you guys tomorrow. Salamat sa panonood. Good night.